Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing English Madeleines. These are a French classic with the English treatment. While the French Madeleines have a distinctive shell-like shape, the English Madeleines have a cone-like shape, smothered in jam, they're rolled in coconut and topped with a cherry. These make a perfect snack to be served at an English tea party. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Grease the Madeleine molds. You can use oil, butter or margarine. Then line the bottom of the mold with grease-proof or parchment paper. Also, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. The method. Add in the margarine, sugar, salt, eggs, and the vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. Then sift in the baking powder and the self-raising flour. Sifting helps to remove any lumps that may exist in the flour. Now whisk for a couple of minutes until fluffy and well combined. Divide the batter equally between the 12 molds. Make sure that the molds are only half filled. Now level the batter evenly using a spoon. This is an important note. Make sure the molds are only half filled because the batter will rise quite a bit. Now bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes or until done. The Madeleines are done when a skewer inserted into the middle of the cake comes out clean. Then remove from the oven when done and transfer onto a wire rack to cool slightly. Now trim off the excess from the tops of the Madeleine so that they are all level and flat. And that was the reason for the note to tell you that the molds need to be only half filled. Now loosen the edges. Flip the mold over and remove the grease-proof paper. Then place the Madeleine with the widest part at the bottom. Heat some raspberry jam until it is soft and spreadable. Then coat the sides and the top with the warmed up raspberry jam. So once the Madeleines have been smothered in jam, roll them in the desiccated coconut. And cover the sides and the top. Now finish off by topping the Madeleines with half a glacy cherry. And there you have it, a French classic with the English treatment, English Madeleines, perfect to be served at an English tea party. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other baking recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.